Oh yeah, bro, Alpha. How did you see the food? How did you see the cookie?
The food not your sweet too.
It's not sweet. You are telling me not to eat the food, Abi?
Maybe you know. I say, no, you're sure.
So you they try to tell me now not to eat the food, eh?
You know, you're sure.
So you want distract me? You want distract me? Say the food not sweet.
Don't leave out for me.
You dey whine me. You dey whine me. I will eat it. I go with it. I eat it. This is the meal. Eh, baba yen baba oh. This is the meal. I will eat this food. Then.
You're also not the hungry. Now go wake up for now. Go to boil rice for this stew. I will set camera put inside this kitchen. From last week.
You set camera. You don't know say na night na they eat because na maybe the ancestors when be say.
Oh yeah. Allah, so when you sit inside the kitchen. I don't know say na you wake up. Not be loud.
Now maybe the ancestors wey be say they put for night make it they guide everybody for night. So now in the night now they take they make sacrifice cause they come for us. Now in the night we take they eat. Yes, now I'm the ancestors of all the nation. Okay, the mother of all the nation. The ancestors of all the nation. Now maybe the Odogu. Okay, Odogu wife. Eh? Now maybe the ancestors. Yeah, I have to use it to cook Lucas food. So you see, oh yeah, turn yourself and say you are a I know that you are a chef. You really tried this still, but make a first test now. We have to test it.
I say if you share this food now, not be loud. You must finish them before you travel.
Why not go finish am? I be one liver for you before.
This one, na me go dey serve you now. The one wey you shop this today now.
Now you go serve me. 3 a.m. I need to boil rice.
Tomorrow morning you shop padiyam.
No.
In the afternoon you shop padiyam. In the evening you shop padiyam as well.
I no go eat pounded yam.
On Sunday you cook soup.
I go eat garden egg.
You cook egusi.
Oh, I cook egusi on Sunday.
You cook stew.
You dey whine me.
On Monday you cook jollof rice. Okay, fried rice.
Are you joking? Are you joking? I'm not cooking anything. I've done my nails. This nails is not for cooking anymore. Look at it. Look at my nails. It's not for cooking.
You want to say now you go cook now make us surprise you.
So you be planning that say na me go cook for you. Then na me come dey surprise you now. You are not the one cooking.
This life no balance.
The life not balanced. No lie. Tomorrow you go still cook for me. I know you. Tomorrow you will still cook for me because I know that you will miss me because I'm going. I'm going for my vacation. I know that you will gonna miss me. I know say you will cook for me tomorrow and you'll still prepare a special meal where be say I will carry follow body on small day. Not be cadeaux be this. Rigadela bar. Mommy, see you. My mommy said that you should be cooking for me. That you guys should take care of me. That is what mommy said. Mommy once said, Bright, take care of your sister. Make sure.
My papa said I may be next of king for food. Make a shop. So I need to be cook for me.
You know,
food.
You know the shame. Your papa not will anything give you.
He will food for me. You try now.
He will feed food give you. So the cousin and me go they cook for you.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem. Hungry go beat you.